Hello everybody, good evening, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at MicroStrategy stock. This one is actually green as of Friday. We were up by 2.12%. We're going to be speaking about this, and we're also going to be speaking about the trend that we saw through the majority of last week. I'll be giving you my thoughts and opinions on everything that we could see upcoming into the next week too. If you do enjoy these short, no-nonsense videos, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I do upload for you guys every single day and try and make as much content as I can. Do remember though, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor, so you should be doing your own research. Now, a few things to note here, particularly regarding last week. We just saw this stock just drop and drop and drop. If we draw the line, really, you can see through the mid part of last week, this stock was just falling off of a cliff. Friday was a green day, but we are still now dropping below key levels of support, such as 290, 293. These are just really not holding up anymore. This does, however, bring some concern to my mind, right? We're still not seeing the stock in the oversold range. Of course, we're actually climbing a little bit closer to neutral as that RSI does cool off with that green day. And I'm just very concerned with where this stock is at the minute. I mean, realistically, to get any levels close to where we are for support, you've got to go all the way back to, what, March, April, right? This is a long time ago. And that does signal to me that the stock could potentially be about to break out of this trend. Now, if you do look to levels that we have seen around this point in the past, nearest supports could really be around numbers such as 285 potentially. They could be around 281. They could be around 270, 275 numbers in that range. However, at the moment, I am very apprehensive with this stock. Now, of course, we could see that room upwards. We've still not really broken above numbers such as 293, numbers that we have seen a bit of resistance at in the past. So we've not really pushed above those numbers. If we do, you could be looking at a push up to 300, where we could see some major resistance as well. But right now, would I be buying MicroStrategy stock? Me personally, no, right? I'm not at a point where I see that confidence. Maybe there is a short-term trade to be had here, and if that's your strategy, there is an opportunity potentially there. But the stock's dropping to new lows, at least for the past month, right? This is a concerning time. We could see that recovery, but look, guys, even if Monday, Tuesday, even if we see some major green days, right, I personally want to have that conviction and that, to a degree, certainty that we have built that consolidation and we have that higher likelihood of it going in my favor. So for me personally right now, I think the past week has been one that has filled me with a bit of nervousness and apprehension to do with this stock. Again, not necessarily a bad sign overall, just I wouldn't be buying right now. That's just my personal thoughts on it. I'd love to hear yours in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and goodbye for now.